Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add location in profile on BeReal application. So how to add location in profile on BeReal application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the BeReal app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the BeReal app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. And appears like this. Tap the profile icon. And tap location. Here you can add location to your profile. So that's it, tutorial how to add location in Profi on BeReal app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.